Hello, my dear friends and the viewers on my channel. This is SK Booty here, Booty Aviation Training. And today's lesson is on technical tidbits. And in this lesson today, we are going to study how are the aerodynamic forces arranged in a flight. Well, there are four aerodynamic forces primary. We'll talk about some more later. And what is their equilibrium? And today we will see how they are arranged in a straight and level flight. What is straight and level? Straight means aircraft is maintaining direction, and level means it is maintaining its altitude. When these forces are in a state of equilibrium, we have studied earlier that lift is an upward acting force. To overcome the downward acting force weight, it is perpendicular to the flight path and acts at a point which is called center of pressure. Whereas weight acts at the center of gravity vertically downwards. The CG is ahead of the center of pressure, and in the case of loss of lift, the nose will dip downward. Aircraft will lose height, but with the nose dipping downward. Now let's study some more forces, and that is drag. Drag is the resistance provided by the atmosphere or the air to the aircraft trying to move forward. It's a force which tries to pull it backward, rearward acting force, in the direction opposite to the flight path. And drag is overcome by a force which is called thrust, a forward acting force in the direction of flight path to overcome drag, which is produced, the thrust is produced by throwing the air back either by a propeller called air screw or by a stream of jet exhaust. Newton's third law of motion: air is thrown back, aircraft moves forward. And in an unaccelerated, steady state of equilibrium, straight and level flight, the algebraic sum of these four forces is zero, equal and opposite. Now, do we maintain lift equal to weight and thrust equal to drag at all times during a flight, whether I'm climbing, descending, or turning? Well, no. And let's wait for the clarification in the subsequent lessons which are in the pipeline, for which I'll prefer if you like the video and remain with me by subscribing to my channel and sharing it with your good friends. And stand by for many more such aviation tidbits by yours truly, SK Booty. And let me remind you, each one of these lines is an answer to a question in technical papers of CPL, aviation, and airlines also. Right? Good luck. All the best. Happy landings, and make some new friends. Keep smiling and send your new friends the link of my channel. Good luck. See you again.